Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about reproduction from other plant parts. Today we are going to study the topic is crops. What is mean by crops? Plants of the same kind that are grown in a particular area during a particular period of time are called crops. Again I am telling, plants of the same kind that are grown in a particular area during a particular period of time are called crops. For example, rice, cotton, mustard and wheat. These are called crops. These crops are grown in different season. It is not grown in same period, same season. For example, rice. Rice is grown in rainy season, not in summer season. Wheat is grown in winter season. So, different crops are grown in different season. Two types of crops are there. They are kharif or summer crops. The second one is rabi or winter crops. We will see the first one. Kharif crops or summer crops. The crops which are grown in rainy season and harvested in winter season are called kharif crops. For example, rice, cotton, and some vegetables and fruits also grown in this season. Brinjal, pumpkin, these vegetables are grown in this season. And another one, fruits, mango and watermelon. We will see mango and watermelon, these fruits only in the summer season. So these vegetables as well as these fruits also called summer fruits and summer vegetables. I hope you understand the kharif crops. And next class we will see about rabi crops. Thank you, children.